Hi guys, I'm Miss Amanda. Today we're going to do a story called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly by Lucille Colandro. And then we're going to do a storyboard along with our story. So after each thing she swallows, we'll put it in her belly. And then at the end of the story, I'd like you guys to tell me the order of the things she ate. Alright, let's get started. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. She won't say why. All right. So she swallowed a fly. There was an old lady who swallowed a spider that wriggled and jiggled and tickled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed that fly. She won't say why. All right, so next she swallowed a spider. There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. How absurd to swallow a bird! All right, here's our bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed the fly. She won't say why. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. Imagine that. She swallowed a cat. All right, here's our cat. Let's put him in her belly. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed that fly. She won't say why. There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. What a hog to swallow a dog! And here's our dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed that fly. She won't say why. There was an old lady who swallowed a goat. She just opened her throat and swallowed a goat. Alright guys, for this one, my storyboard has a different piece. It has a horse, so we're just going to pretend our horse is the goat. She swallowed the goat to catch the dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she swallowed that fly. She won't say why. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know how she swallowed that cow. Do you think you could really swallow a cow like that? No. Alright, here's our last piece. Here's our cow. Now look at our storyboard. Look at all the things that are in her belly. It's a lot, huh? Alright, let's find out what happens. But swallowing the animals is not how this ends, because she coughed so hard. What do you think's gonna happen when the old lady coughs? Out flew all her new friends. The end. They look happy to be out of her belly, don't they? Alright, let's see if you can try and remember the order of the story. What was the very first thing the old lady swallowed? Who remembers? It was a fly, right? That's how this whole thing started, because she swallowed a fly. What's next? Who did she swallow to try to catch the fly? A spider. Then who did she swallow to try and catch the spider? It was the bird. Then who did she swallow to try and catch the bird? It was the cat. Who did she swallow to catch the cat? It was a dog, right? And then who did she swallow to catch the dog? It was a goat. We have a horse, but in the story, it was a goat. And who did she swallow to catch the goat? The cow. Did she swallow anyone else after she swallowed the cow? No, because what did she do after she swallowed the cow? She coughed, right? So after she coughed, what happened with all the animals? Did they stay inside her belly? No, they all came flying out, right? So then they were all friends at the end. Alright guys, I hope you liked that story. I hope you did a good job helping me with the storyboard and remembering each step of the story. I'll see you next time. Bye.